Hello dear student, I am Swapnil, your computer teacher. How are you? Hope you are good and safe at home. So from today we will start HTML program and surely it will help in your computer subject. So let's start and move to the computer screen.
Hello dear student. Today we will learn some basic about HTML. Okay? So today's topic are what is HTML, HTML tags, about web browser, where should we write HTML programs, after writing HTML program, how should save that HTML program. We will also learn about HTML page structures, also go through simple HTML tags, and lastly I will teach you how to write simple HTML program and run it over browser. Clear hai? So dear student, what is HTML? Okay. So HTML stand for Hypertext Markup Language, and this language created by Sir Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee in 1991. Okay, and this language officially published in 1995. Okay, so here you have to remember certain points for your MCQ type questions. Full form of HTML, the writer of HTML language, that is Tim Berners-Lee, and when it is published in 1995. Basically, HTML is used to create the structure of website like YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp. That's why every software developer must know about HTML. Okay, because it is skeleton of every website. What is HTML tag? See here, HTML language has many keywords. That keywords are called as tags, and using tags we can create HTML pages. And HTML tags has three parts: opening tag, closing tag, and in between we are going to write message. Okay, and some tag are exceptional tag like BR tag, which does not contain closing tag. Okay, so one more thing, here we will write HTML tag in angular bracket. Okay, and these tags are many times comes with pair. Okay, and closing tags always close with forward slash. Okay, what is web browser? Browser is an application software and it is used to access the internet. अगर आपको इंटरनेट यूज करना है तो आपके पास ब्राउजर होना बहुत जरूरी है. यू हैव ऑलरेडी नोन अबाउट दिस ब्राउजर लाइक मोजिला फायरफॉक्स, गूगल क्रोम, इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर. Okay, or you can say browser is an intermediate between your computer and internet cloud. Understood? So आपके पास ब्राउजर होना बहुत जरूरी है. Now, where should we write HTML program? So answer is text editor. Now, what is text editor? Text editor is an application software where we can create text and we can also edit it. Okay, so very familiar text editor are Notepad, Bracket, Notepad plus plus, and some software developer also use Visual Studio. Now our next topic is how to open the Notepad. Okay. See friends, if you have operating system Windows 8 or later version of it, then you have to follow this step. First you will go to start screen, then type Notepad. And if you have operating system Windows 7 or its earlier version like XP, then you have to follow these steps. First you will click start button, then go programs, then go to accessories, and finally you will get notepad. As I have window 10, then see how I can open the notepad. First I will go to start screen, then here I will type notepad. See, this way I can open the notepad. Okay. Now how to save HTML program. See, once you have written HTML program, then it's very important to save with proper extension. Right, for example .html. Let's see, if I have written the HTML program demo, then I will save it with demo.html. So extension is .html. Okay. Now every HTML page structure contains some basic tags like HTML tag, head tag, title tag, body tag, heading tag, paragraph tag, etc. Okay. Now let's see one by one. First tag is your HTML tag, and this tag is a root tag of every HTML page, root tag. Okay. Using this tag we can understand we are creating HTML page. Okay. Next tag is your head tag. Here we always write meta information about document, meta information about document. Then your next tag is title tag, and inside title we are write title of document. Okay, we are going to write title of document. Then your next tag is body tag. This tag also comes with pair body tag, opening tag, and body close tag. Okay, and whatever we write inside body tag, it will visible over browser. Okay. Now heading tag. Heading tag is used to give large heading. In HTML you will find h1 tag, h2 tag, h3 tag like this according to heading. Okay. Now paragraph tag. Inside paragraph tag we are going to create paragraph inside document. Paragraph inside document. Okay. Then so this is some basic tag you will find in every HTML page. Okay. Some basic HTML tags. Okay. So we have already seen use of HTML tag, that is it is the root tag. Then head tag used to metadata which are written inside the body will appear on browser. Okay. Then paragraph tag is used to give the paragraph. Now here HR tag is used to divide the section. Okay. If you have any paragraph or is used to divide the browser. Okay. Then this is list tag. You can write order or unordered list, or unordered list. Okay. Order or unordered list. Then here one tag, preview tag. So preview tag is used to give the space. You will get space, single space called monospace. Okay. Now see some font style. If the text written inside the bold tag, then text will appear bold. Likewise italic, underline, and big tag, small tag. Here new tag you will see subscript and superscript. Okay. Subscript and superscript tag basically used for to write formulas. Okay, let's say if you wish to write formula H2, what formula of water, then here to write in at base you will use subtract, and if you write to formula like E equal to mc square, in if you wish to write in power, then you will use superscript tag. Okay, and this is font is used to increase the font. Okay, increase or decrease the font of text. Over our browser horizontally. Okay, now about image tag. If you wish to insert the image in your HTML code, then you must use img tag. img tag. Here you you have to also specify source of that image. It means in your local drive where it is located. Okay, as well as you have to mention the height and width of the image, also align of the image means top, bottom. Okay, and here href. Href means if you wish to take the image from any website or over internet, then you have to use href tag. Now about the table tag. If you wish to create the table inside your HTML code, then you must use table tag. Okay, now and you wish to give caption to the table, for example yesterday weather. Okay, here is your table. Okay, then tr tag is used to create a row. Okay, and here table heading, and td stand for table data. Okay, now here is one thing important. Inside caption you have to also specify is alignment. Okay, whether top, bottom it is. Okay, now it's a time to see the sample program. See, first I will explain this program and then we will type and execute and see output over browser. Okay, see, this is HTML tag, HTML closing tag, right? Head tag, head closing tag. Then under title tag we have written some title. See, this title you can see here, this is tiger. Then body tag closing. Inside body tag we have given color green as a background color. Okay, then we have also inserted one image, right? In image tag we have given the source of that image, then it's a we have defined its height and width even, right? Then heading tag we have given the heading, right? In paragraph tag we have written about that image. Now here marquee tag we have written one text, officially announced national animal of India is tiger. This line will continually rotate horizontally over browser. Then again we have explained bold and italic tag. For that we have written one line. Okay, now we will write one HTML program. HTML opening tag, HTML closing tag, then head tag, head close tag. Then we will give title, the title to the page under title tag. See, we all tags are right under angular bracket. Okay, so we will give title, this is tiger. Okay, then we will write body tag, body. Here we do color red, color into red. Here we will close body tag, body. Now we have written this program. Now we will save it. Okay, save as demo 1 2 3. Now here extension should be .html. Okay, save. Okay, now we will go through the desktop. Here is our file. Now we will open it. Open with browser. See, this is our beautiful output, and with this we will close today's class. Thank you for watching.
So, do you like today's class? And thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, please write in comment, and don't forget to like and share with your friends. Once again, thank you.